Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
I tell you, tour with our Bristol. We have Bristol in town. One trench town in town. See there? See there, one trench town. Uncle, I the taller you. I know what's that by your race. Guys, the shoes, my shoes them always have a couple of inches them on them, you know it goes already. So we have one trench town, original foundation, man. So I go and move, Michelle. Felicia, so I go on. One trench town back in town. You know? The spokesman. Yes, guys. So welcome, guys. Welcome to King Life in Jamaica. You know it goes already. The journey always have to continue. Guys, so you know we're going to head into Spanish Town to drop off some donation for Miss Gracie. And also for the blind brothers them as well too, you know. So that is the mission for today. And then come back and give us some more stuff now, you know. Some stuff dropped off this morning also, you know. So you don't know the thing, I'm keep running the road, you know. So I'm like the white line in the middle of the street right now. So it's Christmas, so I am the Santa for Christmas. So if you're on the naughty list, sorry for you. You know, you have to be on a good list. And you get lock out, trench. Yeah, lock out. Right now, see there? Yes, guys. So yeah, man. So I'm gonna head into Spanish Town. I'm going to give Gracie an igloo also. She said she always wanted an igloo. You know, so we have an igloo for her from the sunrise team. Are the same for the same? Same for the same? Yeah, man, so from the sunrise team, you know, they read me? Alright. Trench Town. Take a chance, the loony good for you. The loony that good for you more.
Yes, a Trench Town one.
I say your name Trench Town.
Hey, honey.
Every time you come on Black the Road, people want to pass.
Sorry, man.
Every time you Black the Road, people want to pass.
Anytime the uncle she's with me, I come outside.
Oh, out of the way.
Hello.
No. Go up, look more. You can't pass. Go up more.
I'm married last daughter.
Yeah.
She named Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. She say more.
Oh my God.
I know you. You don't know me. I know you. I know you. I know your grandmother. I know your mother. I know your
Believe me, then go. Tired? Thing alright. Oh. I'm sure the time going on a season sometime, you know. Thing alright though. Good day. Your family no roach him, say my wash. You say my wash, same cool. I wash your family, you know? Yeah. And the shop where you sit down the road, you see. What do you know when you come here? Alright then, yeah? Yeah. Alright guys, so we're here now in Spanish Town, Capture Land, you know, to see Gracie and the two blind brothers. Yeah. Yes, yeah. Thing good.
Yeah, that's pushing the car from.
I was just pushing the car.
Yeah, I easy go.
No. How you doing?
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Mr. when she hears say I come, she get excited.
So you good?
Yes.
I like your ear. It's here. Who done it for you? Who did it here?
There's Auntie Christine.
Auntie Christine.
Auntie Christine.
Yes.
That's nice. How where you get lime? Cause lime's so scarce.
I got
No, see that something can get them to sit down.
No good man.
Oh, no good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm so me beg by me give $300 and easy at $400 pound.
Yeah, cause I know lime scarce right now, expensive.
I don't call me this. Me go back with you though. Hi.
Yeah, man. Remember you always say you want a igloo. So we brought one for you as well too. Take out the bag out of that. Fuck me.
I'm giving that tongues back.
Oh, you know the car.
They put them get worse and like you know. Upon them.
Me sell up more.
Yeah, them a burn me like pepper and juke like an eagle. And they sore inside and I the skin of them is sore. So one bag.
Let me bring one bag differently. Okay. Hey, it look like you get sold up more, man.
Yeah, man, see them can't hardly go.
Ah, damn.
Can't hardly go look on them. So them black and blue.
Yeah.
All of them dirty they no wash. I'm not too long beard. You can't hardly manage.
So the diet, you have to change the diet.
The circulation. Me not eat much, you know, but listen to me. You see how me fi eat? Me can't eat, so why? Me not have it. So any little thing me get, me have to just work with it and give God thanks. Because I not get nobody nothing put on. So anytime they get anything.
Yeah.
Because my son then have to give me now. My husband come. A week time he give me $1 $2,000 sometimes. Nothing now go on. But me not complain because some now get none.
Yeah.
And at least me I get something, so me have to be grateful and give thanks. Because when I used to have it, me used to get it.
Yeah.
Now that you not have it, me can't send you go thief. And if you even got thief, me no want because you can't. So you got God no want no thief in the kingdom.
Yeah, sure.
You understand? So me just have to just be grateful and thankful for whatsoever me go on. Because if my foot never do me something, don't come and concern me.
Yeah,
whether they at church, because Saturday and video with the gun on the road and juggle.
God, it's really sold up, boy.
Yeah, man, see, especially the left foot. See that?
So left foot most.
The left foot metal is a Elise come bounce your bones. If you touch it so.
It hurts, yeah.
Up here, you say I can't take cool and it a you call like somebody have one nice because one knife, but just stab me nice. Painful bad, man, hurtful bad. Want all this get one circulation and second, we can't afford it.
And look how we get some, no, you're gonna need your size. Because we get some circulation stacking.
About 5x should have picked my foot.
5x though. Yes, because we get that.
I give God thanks, you know, because God is good to me. I do really don't, but you know. I don't complain because some now I'm not getting an FM, because I better look at you, me get it. Yeah,
so that's why I'm come give something. We get a donation for you as well for that, you know.
Give God thanks, yeah.
So me also have an igloo here because, you know, True did mention it. So I have an igloo here from the nurses, from the Sunrise team.
Oh my God. Thanks very much, nurses, from the Sunrise team. May God bless you. Keep on guiding and continue to protect you. No do continue. Me say look while me not too long pray for you.
The nurse
Ask God and ask God. I'm a type of just a little while. Each time me I pray 2 times in the day. Me mention you know, yeah, and the one go because listen me. You know, easy to take out your time, your time and walk around to help poor people in the car. Some of poor people are ungrateful. They come like fall as they eat, they wipe them out and then I remember kindness. But I cannot forget kindness when people do for me.
Yeah.
Because God, when you do kindness, you work for God. Because when God didn't come in the amongst the poor, and He did it for the poor, for help out the poor. So you do a wonderful work. May God bless your kingdom. Keep you, lead you, and direct you, and you keep on doing what you're doing and serve the Lord. Seeking while He can find, because we soon coming. We don't know the minute nor the hour. And He says, seek ye first the kingdom of God and all His righteousness. And He might go add everything to it. So God me I put first. Me have to trust Him because me can't credit Him, me can't buy Him. Me not nothing to pay for Him. And He give me only one and only son. Me you not got one son and give me. You understand? And you have to have faith. And trust God and know say God will come through. Because me have faith me live by you know.
Of course.
You know what years now me no work? And I have faith my son don't have to forgive me. I just my husband alone, Papa. Sometimes he burden upon him alone and just lash out that time. Me no better pay no mind because I know say I stress and I burden at him alone. It's not easy, but you know, once you serve God, everything belongs to Him. And when you're patient, me I pray to Him with the foot. And I say, God, me not learn to wait for the deliverance, you know. But if you're not open to deliver, me still give me strength to endure the pain. Because I don't want easy, something not easy.
I can imagine.
It's not easy, not even worse than me don't want to go to me I go to. It's not pretty. And I need to skin. You're the one place. And you want to move on as you want. And you can't get to go to
move.
I mean, me don't like depend on me don't like depend on my husband and nobody. Me like to have my own. Thursday gone was my birthday. And I tell you, me don't like the one place where me have to rely upon people. Me don't like it. You learn a man for fish, you know, can't fish can give him all the while. Me like to hustle for myself and have my own. Because sometimes we get fed up and tell us, why is it too lazy and money? You just want to depend. No. Me like to have my own. Work for my own. And no say yes for me. Because you will have your one and say, no, I'm not doing nothing today. Me can't force you to come and I'm here working money.
Not true.
You understand?
I will give God thanks.
And it's not good to feel lazy people. Lazy people dead for hungry. They feel dead for hungry. When you have a hustle ability, you know, and a skill, you must have hustling ability. You could jump around and do something. I have a little igloo then now. If me and my son push me, me can't have a igloo, no, me can't buy intention. I say, boy, no.
Bring the igloo.
Yeah.
Pass the igloo boom.
My son, the one there, he make me want to. God bless you.
So this is from the Sunrise team, you know. At them same one they give you the wheelchair, remember?
Oh yes.
The nurses them they give you the wheelchair.
I tell them man the wheelchair, the weight and mash up the wheelchair already.
Oh the weight and mash it up.
The weight and mash up already at the what they call it, the remote one. Me know God me know say God provide one for me. Me know what give me. How me I get it, but me know already prepare what they wait for me. And just to get the right person here and get it to send it to me. Because you see, if me have the one there, me don't depend on nobody, me go on the road.
But you see, the remote chair, I have to find your size, because if the regular wheelchair, then we can't fit you, and the extra one them get, and that will be the problem, because
me say, God will provide the one that is right size and the right time. He will provide it, because I know, I not ask, I know. Because if me a trust, me can't buy him cash, so me a trust him. And if me not trust him, I don't know how me going to manage. Without him, how me going to manage? I don't know without him, I can't manage. So me totally dependent upon him for everything I have.
For my little friend,
Nikisha,
you brought some things here for you. Stand up, Nikki.
I remember prepare for your uncle.
We'll bring some stuff here for you, okay? From ND. Here you got shoes and clothes.
So thank you, Andy.
So thank you.
May God bless you.
May God bless you.
Okay.
You're not perfect. You're perfect. Pray for your uncle, you know.
She'll pray when she's ready, right? Pray for me tonight when you go to bed, okay?
She's shy. She's
I
going
know.
to night, you pray for your trainer. And
The
he
next
want
one
go.
that today.
Boy, me I tell you, she run her next. I don't know what I'm to see. She get bad and broke out. I will make touch, you know, I hear.
You know, Shine, what do you put?
So alright then, so I have a donation here for you from Nikki Pink, you know, because she just sent a donation and say I can bless somebody who I say who is fit, you know, so she really asked me at the time, so I consider you. So this is $14,000 a year, as well from Nikki Pink.
Nikki Pink, may the Lord bless your soul, but we never run dry, my sister. May you get many more. Where this come from, you'll get many more. God bless you. God bless you. All the donors, all who not give, I used to give, bless up and give thanks. I'm grateful. Very much grateful for it. You know, want some thing they don't get some juice and thing and buy 2 tissue and sit down the road and go and do a thing. You know, I can go and earn $1 that I not have to depend on nobody. You know?
Alright then.
But I don't know anyone out there, may I ask you please, the remote, the size, me know God have you out there, and it prepare for me, may I ask someone that they do that, where God have go touch on the heart and me get it. That me can depend on my own car, and all want me put them white, you know. Because they have for them life to live. Sometimes they get frustrated, especially when they go to doctor and someday. And I even want the pressure depend, the other one no want to do nothing. The sick one, the sick son, if him the normal, me not have to ask. I beg nobody nothing, because I don't like when me do it. So I just have to pray for him and I ask God for really. More than take him off the road, I pray for somebody, some authority, see him out there and take him off the road and put him. I want home and he get better and come back for the food. Because I tell you, every time I remember me full of water. You know, because I always do it. Say on my birthday, the time I miss it. Because I ever get a present for them. Ever get a present for them.
Alright then, yeah, so
Yeah, man, give
we're gonna catch up. Nikki?
Yeah, look at charge now.
Yeah, I hope you like your gifts, okay? Alright then, it's Gracie.
Yes,
so we catch up, so take care, yeah?
Yeah, man, thanks.
Alright,
Take care.
yes, yeah. Alright guys, so we give thanks, blessing general. So we give thanks to the Sunrise team. You know, we thank you so much for the igloo, you know, for Miss Gracie. And also Nikki Pink, and I will thank you for that donation. So that's one person who blessed out of the donation that you sent so far, you know, so we're going to look more to give that blessings as well too. So now we're going to see the blind brothers, you know, Charles and the next one name again, Patrick and Charles. Yeah, that's the name, Patrick and Charles. So this is what the place look like. It's called Capchalan in Spanish Town. So these houses is food for the poor houses. You know, as you can see, you know, this is like a land where everyone come, you know, reside and with some food for the poor houses. So Orlando. Yeah.
Afternoon.
Afternoon, Wagwan. Good?
Yeah.
Cool.
That's the man.
Go on, show. So yes guys, so this is in Spanish Town. You know, if you're watching, I will mention that we are literally in Spanish Town. You know, Capchalan. This is near the train track. You know. Patrick!
Where
Where I say? Respect. Respect every time, man.
Yeah.
How is your Christmas?
Yeah, no, I'm sick, man, sick.
You sick?
No.
Oh, what you say? What happened? What happened to the Christmas?
Yeah. On the border. Oh, I said.
So you're ready to play now?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, I sit down.
Yeah.
I sit down.
Yeah?
She done do.
Him say?
Oh, it's a sheet. The sheet is a sheet.
Oh, you want sheet?
Yeah.
Oh, you want some sheet? Oh, oh tear up.
No, one bread.
For Christmas.
Yeah.
Oh, so Patrick wants some sheet all I know for Christmas. Put on the bed, right? Yeah.
This will come through. Hold on.
Oh, that Charles.
Yeah.
Charles, what go on? Hold on the Patrick, yeah?
Yeah.
Long time I hear my voice.
You get all blind now, you know, completely blind now.
Yeah, it's been a while now since that happened, though.
But it didn't happen like about the boss gone now.
Gone now.
Yeah. But I'm going to glimpse the curve.
Oh, so now you're seeing pure darkness.
Darkness can see now.
Jaja.
I can give thanks here.
Yeah.
I watch I know. What do you want me to tell you? Look me all long now.
I can see the glaucoma take over the whole of the eye.
Yeah, for a long time, you tell me, the doctor said something I go over head, so then you try to give him eye drops
Yeah.
to treat it.
So see that take over the whole of the eye now.
Fan 72, me are yes, you know.
72, I know so long.
And that's so long. Chance.
You know,
I tell you, fan 72, man.
it might mix up the years, man.
Yeah.
72 days come again. Make 144 years.
I was all the head. What the head for was?
What the head? Instead of rocky back.
Yeah.
Like,
No, because through him look up.
yeah, and keep on a look up.
Because
What
him
like
can't,
head,
because him thinks it's more higher than that. Because
Yeah.
him can't say, you know. Can bring down your head a
Just
little bit more.
level,
Alright.
yeah, right, that's all.
I'm right here, man. You don't have to look all the way up. How does that feel? Better?
See me.
Feel same way. Because you gotta put pressure
just
on your
used
neck.
to.
Yeah,
I
looking
train
up.
lie down most of the day, them. So, you just used to sit in the that way.
Sometimes when I walk, my mind fall up.
Yeah. So I put pressure on him neck, I'll just bring back him head like that.
Yeah,
Because you know him can't see, so I try to look if him can see.
yeah.
Yeah man, but there man, you know everything goes on. Yeah man, I give thanks every time. So it's coming on to your season now, Christmas season.
I think that what the Christmas, but you know, you can't do it on Christmas Eve. And I like for some of my young boy, me have a plan for Christmas. But
Yeah.
no, you can't plan for Christmas.
No, cause right now you have a big kid, you know?
Don't you know. Don't you hurt, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah man, that happened to me.
I'm gonna bring her.
If somebody do give me something, I have to give thanks.
Yeah.
Give thanks, man. Give thanks, man.
Alright.
If somebody give me
Which
a
one?
piece of food,
Eh?
if somebody give me a piece of food,
Go get the in the bag.
and somebody, I don't know what kind of food, I don't know what, but I give thanks this year.
Yeah, we make a donation in the bag.
I say, I go back to the car.
Yeah.
But I have to give thanks, man.
Alright then, so Charles,
Eh?
I have some donation for you and your brother.
Thank you, man.
And also we have one for Ireland.
I look to we have get 2 pictures.
Two pit now, no one again.
One girl and one boy.
Eh?
One girl and one boy.
One girl, say no about the girl, Islander?
No, since in this table, me hear him talk about it, so I don't know if you did that idea and it start.
Oh.
Reveal
So where is that girl? Where is she?
She not a mother yard.
Which part she live?
I was Spanish town. You know every time here. I go there in it. But I go through every time and just Spanish boy like that. I got Chantilly.
Yeah.
I got Chantilly. You know Chantilly?
Chandelier?
I go through every time and go turn by the left hand.
Oh.
No, you never hear about Chantilly school eh?
No?
No, man, you know one in radio, in a day.
Music. It's so turn on back, Patrick.
Time you done, yeah, you put on back, you can't put on back the radio.
Yeah.
I can give away, give me the five.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
You know, you don't have to tell, man. You already know the process, so you say, I'm here for you.
Alright then, so here we know Charles. So yeah, I'm Patrick, right?
Yeah.
Patrick, here you are, go on. Alright. So we have 28,000 here, so which is 14,000 each. 14 for you,
and 14.
And 14 for Patrick.
Yeah, man, give thanks now. What for you?
Yeah? So count this. So this is 28,000 from Anonymous.
Anonymous, that unknown.
Yes, unknown.
Alright. 28,000 from an unknown person.
From Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania.
When they call you, just tell them thanks to you. Yeah,
28.
Thanks to you. Yeah.
28,000.
Yes, Patrick and Alfonso.
Yes.
I received 28,000 for them.
Okay.
Respect from the person that's
Anonymous.
Anonymous.
Yes.
Anonymous.
Anonymous.
Guys,
the man must bite him tongue, so I must say we give thanks. Yeah, for him. We give thanks for Anonymous from Pennsylvania.
No man, when I say Anonymous, that means the person do not give a description of the name.
Oh.
Yeah, yes.
The unknown, yeah.
No, that's something done, man. No, something done.
Them unknown. Them don't make their name the known.
You know what I mean? Say you don't. It doesn't mean say you're not familiar with that word.
Yeah.
You know? But you know say
Anonymous.
and you they are struggling with the name. It's a good
No,
laugh.
worrying about I just pronounce it.
Yeah. Alright, Charles, so we'll give thanks to Anonymous.
Give man to me. Give me.
Yeah, man, have it in our
Thank you, man.
Yeah, so alright, and so we want a donation from yes, Patrick. Alright, so Patrick said thank you as well to Anonymous.
Yeah.
So we have one from lady from England. You know, so she was known as the lady
Yeah, no
from
one
England.
can give me one.
Charles, the money I get, if you want it, you can cover it.
Better check now, better check still, yeah? What size him wearing?
10.
10.
And did ask it from the last time you come and still.
Oh, we're not
like
10.
you just a member.
Sure, 10 that looks small.
No man, you wear smaller, a 9.5 you wear.
9.5 favorite.
Yeah, cause your foot smaller than mine.
foot.
I know man, my foot bigger than for you know. So a 9.5.
Yeah, we will check. 9.5 if you have any shoes over there.
Yeah.
We will check 9.5. Where's the Patrick?
No, I remember the time I visit back we carry.
Oh, where's his sheet? Remember his sheet?
Yeah.
Alright then.
Yeah.
A double him have in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Double bed.
Queen size, you know.
Big shit.
Big sheet.
Mattress, the
I like it.
Alright then, we'll get a sheet for you, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah man. We'll get a sheet for you.
Respect.
Alright. Alright, so I want a donation for the both of them, which is 13,000 from the lady from the UK.
Alright, give
Alright.
So this is
13 from the lady from the UK for
Give
Patrick
them
and
one
Alfonso receive a 13 from the lady from UK. Enough respect. Brothers appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You accept, Charles?
Can you call them next to respect them?
So you can tell them thanks. So
You
they might
have
hear.
video so you can say it yourself.
They
So
might
you
hear.
appreciate it and
Thanks.
with them we see the video and such. You understand?
And when I little boy, young boy, I never used to do that.
Oh, but
I
you
said, we turn
a modern time now.
Video.
Yeah.
No, you know me now that.
Camera. We must camera the long time. So
Like a movie, you know, like
Yeah, camera did long time.
yeah, but the more update now with some smaller camera than we used to.
it's like a movie.
Yeah.
Alright then, so Orlando, we have a donation for you
Yeah.
from Miss Dolores.
Dolores.
Yeah, Dolores will send the stuff them the last time for them.
Oh, the clothes stuff. Yeah, remember.
Yeah, she send the donation as well.
You can send it from me, you know.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Alright,
so. Yeah, man. Alright, so we have 28,000 here for you.
Alright, so
You have 28,000 for yourself.
Orlando receive 28,000
From Miss Dolores.
from Miss Dolores. Dolores.
Yeah.
Yeah, my respect, many thanks. Yeah, I appreciate it.
So counted, so it's 28,000.
Yeah, 28.
Okay, from Miss Dolores from the USA. So we'll give thanks to Miss Dolores, you know, for the donation for Orlando, and also the lady from the UK. We thank you so much as well too, and Anonymous from Pennsylvania. We thank you as well too for the donation, you know. So So I hope that can help out. It come in the right time,
Yeah.
festive season.
Yeah, this can help us.
So I'm gonna try to get a sheet for Patrick.
Yeah.
You know, and say if we can get a size 9, that more look like a 9 to be more than 9.5. Don't you stop?
You don't have to buy close up. 9.5.
9.5.
Yeah.
Yes, so try it as shoes for you. Yeah, Charles?
Yeah, man, yeah. We give thanks to it, man.
Alright then, so go and big up yourself, make a run now, yeah?
Yeah, man, so give thanks.
Safe travel, eh?
Safe travel.
Yeah. Alright, Orlando, let's go on to the right thing, yeah?
And then
Yeah,
when
yeah.
I know me can't answer phone, but then call me.
Them call me when they're ready, man.
Yeah,
Call
man.
me and tell me.
Because since what you,
I
your
miss-
brother beg me.
Make someone
Contact, you
say,
know?
boy, you call me, but me I talk to your father. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm offended, me can't say hello.
Alright then.
But me know big beard to say nothing more here, though.
Alright, let's say alright then, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, Charles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you wife?
No.
You don't have to, it's not like your wife, because you don't have to wife.
I'm good, man. Alright, Orlando.
Yeah, my father, okay, sir, come back. Yeah.
Alright, Patrick.
Yeah.
Pick up yourself, okay?
Yeah.
Take care. Yeah. Get the sheet for you. Get a pretty sheet for you, okay?
Alright, thank God.
Alright.
Oh, you want, hold on, what?
Oh, carry me. Hold on.
Yeah, tell me.
Can I try to go in by himself?
Yeah, I mean, you really can't manage that again. Alright.
You know?
Yeah, sit down. Ready? Alright, me soon come in.
Yeah, man. I'm going here.
Yeah, man.
Alright. I said, attach the light here.
So you have light now?
Yeah, man. I just plug my run. Run, yeah.
You know, big man?
Huh?
Come here, got the whole set.
Sorry, 2 room there. Connect to
Have
light
light
now.
now.
Yeah.
So you have light now, Charles.
Yeah,
Yeah,
thank
like
you.
I know.
Yeah, man, you have light. Actually, you can't see it still, but you have light. You never know.
I tell him, say me I did, but you don't remember.
Yeah. You have light now, man.
Thank you, yeah.
Alright then, cool.
Yeah.
We see if you have it, say, you know.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
You want to drive fast, you know?
No, I'm gonna take my time drive.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Patrick, later.
Alright, thank God.
Yeah, man.
Thank God.
Yeah.
Okay.
Respect. Alright guys, so we really give thanks, for the blessings, for the help for the Charles brothers them, and also Orlando, so at least now they can try and, have a pot on the store for the Christmas. It goes already. Every time.
Yes, sir, they're going to buy stuff.
Them thing you still make?
Yeah.
Drinky. Jella call it drinky. Yeah.
I want to get you some seeds.
Oh, let's get the girl our bag. Oh, sky juice. Oh. Yeah, I brought that for you as well too, okay? You got a teddy bear in there, and you got your crayon book.
Oh, I got a crayon
So
book.
she try everything for time. We don't try
Oh, everything fit her?
everything for time.
Oh, that's good.
You me only put the shoes now because you got to imagine that.
Oh, exact.
Exact.
It's exact.
Exact.
But it's not tight though. No, it's not exact.
I think that when I buy shoes here, I buy a little bigger than a
Big? No, man, you don't buy too big then, feel that, Esther?
No, it's not exact.
It's not
She
exact.
have wear night, but make sure go and wear it.
Yeah. If you buy too big, even though them grow
You
still.
draw though. Those are boy, me could do some way like you do.
Nice.
Five
I'm a student.
colors.
He said thank you.
You like a teddy bear?
Yeah. I love teddy bear. I have a big teddy bear.
Yeah, big one.
You mean like imagine? I like it. Me just something I love.
Yeah.
And when I put my pocket, I can't do that.
Mommy, I want other toy around here.
Yeah.
I'm not telling her to get out of my pocket when I want big old, I don't like image.
Oh, you don't like image?
Read Exodus 20.
Oh. I go run here now, I'll go back over.
Yeah, man, give thanks and save trouble, you know?
Yes,
I'm going to pick up yourself, continue to do the work. Keep up the work.
I will.
And continue to hold on to Jesus because we can, without him we can't do nothing.
Yes. Alright then, take it easy, yeah? Alright then. Alright guys, so we're gonna head back into Trench Town from Spanish Town. So we're leaving from one town to the next town, you know? So this is Spanish Town, guys, you know, in Capture Land, way in Spanish Town. So you see, sometimes the journey we have to take it on. You know, it's not easy, but we have to do it. So you can see we've been running the road red, right, Esther?
Right.
And boom, there I see him here, running the road red. At least, you know, look at this place, you know, Trench Town, I have to give thanks, see him here. You know, it's a blessing. Alright, yeah, next time. God, trust me, these things must affect them. This gutter. Yes, guys, boy, as you can see, the struggle is really real, you know. So, as I may say, we cannot deny, you know, we cannot say people is not going through rough times, you know. So, at least we can just try and see what we can do, you know, because the situation is there, you know. So, we cannot ignore it, you know, it's there, and we only can do what we can do because, trust me, I know my number is a number what it's on the program, like literally it's always there on YouTube. So just imagine how many phone calls I get on a regular basis for like people that literally asking for help, you know. And it's not easy, you know, because you realize the dire stress that the people is going through because of their situation, you know. Sometimes you wonder is how much you can do, you know. And I know you guys not having it easy neither while there in the US or America, US, and also UK, you know, Canada. Anywhere you send it from, the Caribbean also, you know. I know it's rough seeing me, but it's just the compassion, you know, just the kindness of your heart to see what they're going through, you know. So we know no one is rich, but at least they're trying to help out someone's situation. And more time you see this thing on a daily basis, you know, and it makes me as a whole, you know, and others that watch it or whosoever that road know that it's not easy, you know. And we pray that we never end up in that situation, and we give thanks for where we are, because life sometimes we cannot complain, we have to just give thanks, you know, because even there in Capture Land, as I can see, the situation there is really bad, you know. It's really bad. They can see it also on the people them that literally what they're going through, you know. So Trench Town is also, it's like the place where I'm going through what is going through, but on a scale it's kinda, you know, I can say them blessed in a way, because if Trench Town was in Capture Land, it's gonna be a different story, you know what I mean, because you can see that literally you're really squatting, you know. At least it's not so bad in Trench Town, but here on a daily basis it's not good, man, you know. So for our country, third world country really, you know, so the situation here is not pretty. So people are always grateful for when someone can send something, because trust me, people is really going through times, and for Gracie with her leg, like, hey, I don't know what to say, I don't know what's gonna happen, but the situation there, I don't know what's gonna happen. Hey, Esther, I don't know what's really gonna happen with that, you know, because the way it swell up extra than before, or it was before, like literally like it gone above and beyond how it was before, you know. With a case like that, like I wouldn't know what to do myself, you know. Only a specialist doctor can really tell you what to do, and with that it's gonna cost a hell of a money, you know. And I don't know,
Poor circulation.
Yeah, well, I don't know what. It's caused with a lot, because they not choose have the weight on it as well too, the top weight on the leg as well too. So it's not easy though. But my extended family, I thank you so much, for reaching out, for helping out, because as you can see, the help is needed, and it's needed so much. And there's so much I can really do, and if I also think about myself, I really need to steady my pace so I don't really get overwork and all this different thing and get sick like I was before by doing too much, so I also need to break myself as well, so because the work ahead, the workload, it's a lot, it's a lot, so I really need to brace myself and ready for this journey, because I cannot take on the journey without a full health, and I'm also going to need the strength, so I need to brace myself, I really need to rehydrate, come back, recuperate. I need to go back, and refresh the mind, everything, because the mind is cloudy right now, I'm telling the truth, it's very cloudy. And I'm also going to need a key time. So that's why I'm going to really get back into the wellness of myself. But sticky. It's really a good thing, I really learn how to meditate. So at least now when I go home sometime, I don't really take the problems home with me. I try my best literally to stay off social media. I'm telling you, me as a guy, man, can't tell you, my free time is football. That's all I really watch is football and watch interviews about football, because I'm not trying to really watch the sad stuff them to feel more sad going to my bed, because them say when you watch the more sad news and sad thing you watch it, like literally when you're going to your bed, that's what you're gonna really come up on a daily basis, like literally you're gonna feel bad in yourself, I don't want my emotion to be feeling like that on a daily basis. So I love watch my team, watch highlights. I can't wait for my coach talk. Even when we lose, I'm watch the interviews them. I don't care where Arsenal, Man City, Liverpool, and say about Manchester United. That's my thing, I don't really got time to watch taking any social media. I like to watch them motivational stuff to motivate myself, so even when Arsenal go on with things, alright, see me on yesterday, an Arsenal man, an Arsenal woman yesterday, but we can't stand our losses because we was once a winner, we're still a winner, but we are going to get some beating what we used to give before, so nothing wrong with that, what I mean. But I like to watch things to motivate me, that's what I like. I don't really got time to watch anything really, I swear. When we go home, I was going to Manchester United to see what interview, what them saying, any transfer. I'm watching all pure all match, anything at all, I'm definitely a football lover, I'm telling you. I think football is my wife. Football is my wife. I'm telling you, whenever Man U play, I don't think I'll go on the road. I'll literally stay in my yard. Because I know how when time we lose or anything, in a bag of ding in my ears. So I'm going to stay away.
Just in case.
Just in case. I'm still around and watch. Long I've been hoping and praying, so I'm going to get back. But yes, guys, so all that, man. So I hope you're having a wonderful festive season anywhere you are. Thank you so much. And if you reach this far watching King of Life in Jamaica, you haven't put the thumbs up. What are you waiting for? If you like the program, put the thumbs up. If you don't like it, I understand. We still like you too. And if you forgot to put the thumbs up, just pause it for a minute and put the thumbs up and come back. You won't miss nothing. You can also rewind. So don't worry about that. So remember, guys, stay positive. Black out the noise, listen to that quiet voice, the positive voice. Stay away from the negative voice. Trust me, there's only one life we have to live. We don't want to know, so we cannot wake up tomorrow and then we can't live in our regrets either. So we have to accept what is, accept what is, because when time we die, do you care who come to your funeral? Because you're dead already. When you're dead, you can't come to your funeral, Esther. You don't know anything. Exactly. So when you die, you die. Your soul still live on, but the flesh, that is it. So that's how I appreciate life. That is how I appreciate life. each and every day. So I don't want to live in no negative energy and no vibes. No, I want to be happy. So tomorrow, if I know I'm going tomorrow, I'm going happy. No, I don't say tomorrow I'm going and I'm miserable. No, stop. Oh, I know say I'm a happy man. I'm miserable, I'm not carry nothing upon my heart. No hate, nothing at all, no dislike from nobody. Understand? Because I don't want to die with that. You know, pure heart, I go with pure heart. So yes guys, we're heading into Trenchtown right now, you know. Alright now. No sir. People struggle. Alright guys, yes, so I'm back here in Trenchtown. As you can see, the place is getting dark, but I got some stuff here, you know, got some care package, you know, from Mary from Canada. Yes guys, so we have some care packages to give out to the elders them, you know, and also gifted us with some toys, you know, we can give to some kids as well too. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try and give out the care package them to the elders them. So we have 12 bags here. So we have 12 bags of care package right here. 12 bags. So we're gonna give them out. But not count that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I'm not count that. And we have 2 big bags. So bag with clothes and toys, you know, and ties over here as well too. So these are the care package them. So you see, the work never stop. Never stop. Whereas it's Christmas right now, we're the Santa and the Toker. The elves them is here. So we give Gloria, Winston, Dati, Joan, Tompa. One we're gonna walk with now. Yeah. So we're gonna do this one right now. Quick and fast. Yeah, and even that Gloria as well too. Yaga. Yeah, Yaga. We'll give Yaga to something. So much you can take up 4 boom. Okay, manage 4.
You gotta do carrot and me with a camera. You gotta carry 4 too?
I carry 2, yes, carry 2. We not carry so much one time. So yeah, Joe, yourself. We are going to Winston first. Night sky in Trenchtown. Night sky in Trenchtown. With the zinc house stops. Boom, a yarn. Mr. Winston. Oh, good. Yeah, go on. Found that. Oh, yeah, they're right at the front. They bring a care package here for you. Yeah. From Mary from Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. We'll drop out that care package for you, okay?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Bless you.
Alright, bless. Respect, yeah? Oh, boom, gone. Oh, push up at the door.
Call him back. So me need. I make me need.
Sister, Esther, see me? No, yeah, here. Get it out somebody. I can get that more.
Yeah.
No, then give me the beer. Before I want them.
Yeah.
What you could have done for me?
Oh, go on.
Right there, come back, we can get
Put it up, I'm also going to give you the pardon. Did I get down?
Yeah.
Did I get down?
Yaga. You asleep? So we have a care package here for you as well to Yaga. So you can thank Marie from Canada.
Thank you, Auntie Marie. God bless you. May your food basket never empty. Thank you.
Never, never.
Never, never.
Never and never. Thanks you to Prino. You
Yeah.
make it this impossible for me, right?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Alright, then bless
God
you.
bless you.
Bring one for Gloria. Can you leave it there, son? Okay. Esther got there, so watch. Esther, rest. Yeah. Go on, just take one. Gloria. Kwenye greater. Oh, applaud me. Yeah, greater coconut. Night. Gloria, bring something for you. Press on the table for her. Alright, you put her right. Alright then. It's black. Can get better, man. Yeah. See doctor. Okay. Alright, I'll get better, man. Yeah. Okay. Alright, then later, yeah? Yeah. Alright, plumber and greater. Yes, guys, so the video is getting a bit dark, so we're gonna give them out same way. You know, it's getting a bit dark, so we're just gonna give them out same way, quick and fast. You know. Oh, so and was my man run for a while ago too? Yeah.
Oh, Miss Rose. Miss Rose. Darling.
Yeah.
Hey. Bless you.
Hold on there. I want one here, sir. Bless you.
Yeah, package here for.
Wow.
Alright, so.
Bless you.
Alright then. So that's from Marie, yeah?
Miss Marie.
Yeah.
Bless you, Miss Marie. Yes, I appreciate it, Miss Marie. She hear me?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Alright, you heard that, Mr. Tati?
Alright.
Yeah. Alright. Oh, yeah. Yes, Ann. Bobby.
Come to this.
Sour pie.
Thank God, get a care package for your Christmas. Thank God, yeah.
Yeah. Mary.
Mary, thank Mary.
Mary. Yeah.
You know? Mary.
Yeah, man. Another one there. Different one. Yeah. Alright, then take care.
Oh.
Turn on yourself. Come so. Look what I wanna see me in the next one, right? So that is Mary from.
You know, don't nice.
That's Mary from
Canada.
Yes.
Thanks, Marie, for this food. God bless you and keep you. And keep Keena and keep Esther. Keep the whole of them. Keep the whole team in your name. Amen. Thank you.
Mr. Mark. You talk about.
You do them?
Yeah. We out them there. They give us some little package now. No. You might see it all. That one get to. Alright then. Alright, cool. Peter, just give me what you have for me now, man. I'm about to hold on on it for too long. Just give me one. Take out Night, I mean, man, you want the light. Look a bit. Bless it for you, bless it. Alright. We bring a package for you. Where your neighbor? She in there? Leave it with her then. Is this scanner? I'm like the light. Through the darkness. Alright, through the night in Trenchtown. Mackenzie, no? How's Desmond that again?
16 years old.
I try to remember. I try to remember. Scanner in there. Why the place darky? Where I go and cause? Scanner. How can I blue movie light you have on in here? Why the lights are blue?
I TV. And the light bulb get lower and lower. when it also when it's turn on the machine it come up bright.
Oh.
Cause over them get the light from.
Okay, so the voltage low.
Yeah.
I'll bring a package here for you. Yeah. Blue house. Put it down for him.
No, who's the cup?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
And the crew, alright.
Yeah.
No
Philip over there?
No matter what, you see the crew, you give me strength. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, for real. Because without you die, them, I couldn't so firm. and talk to the donors them now.
Yeah.
So now we just say natural love.
Yes,
and
yes.
the world, the people, of the donors, one and all manners and respect.
Alright.
That's the thing, man. And more love. Happy Christmas everyone on the past show. Yeah.
Alright, then bless up. One love.
It's not a money thing, you know. This is love. You know?
Love alone, man.
Yeah.
Alright then. We'll go check Philip.
You see, you know, I'm not to cook. It's something I'm planning. So I just ask you. You can't go on a man and the man say, you know, good car computer.
I come.
One time next month.
The computer at play again?
Yeah.
Oh.
You did buy me.
Yeah.
So I will give thanks to you.
Alright then.
I have to tell me nervous for this kid.
Alright, don't nervous.
Alright.
Go and show Peter.
I know that man is right. Don't easy to come here. But me, you can't take on.
Read that. Philip. Oh. No, dear.
You know, good after 6.
Who said that?
6 o'clock again.
Dr. Sebi said if you're sick and you need the bush to pick and to drink, we're going to make it stay till tomorrow while you're so sick, almost dying.
You mean Dr. Sebi?
Dr. Sebi, yeah. Man, if you need the bush, so you're going to wait till in the morning until you're dying in the night, and the bush is there to save your life. Philip, we bring a package there for you with rice, flour, tin stuff, that, and everything from Marie from Canada.
Thanks to you. May go good luck, maybe some keep and guide and get strength.
Yeah.
Come on.
Alright, yeah, come on, good door. See, yeah, come on, good man. Alright then, yeah?
No respect.
Peter said first police.
Two we have left. Two.
Amigo, you have the number? Oh, grandmother. You ever got it, right?
Yeah, I get wow, chef.
I can't see nothing. Now walk by faith and not by sight.
That's good. That's the best thing to walk by faith.
And not by sight.
Not by sight. So you can close the eye and walk. By faith, you're not going to lick up. Look how could I walk through this and go give wow, chef mother. Hello. You frightened? Oh, go on, mama. Yeah, and then come back round.
What are you already doing home? Last sheep.
Because we done there, so come now, we go drive already. We done there, so we go drive already. Now we done reach out of the way already.
Wait there. Where's that? Oh, we're not in there.
Oh, bring a package for Miss Valerie. Oh.
You know, come up now, sir.
Hello, Miss Valerie. Are your sister this?
You know, the pet now work.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what. If I'm not sure, come on, look, show. Can't be the wooden, you know. Tiffany,
It's Valerie, we bring a
go
package for
way
you.
around there.
The rest of them to me if you like. Okay. Alright, yeah?
Yeah.
So what's she feeling now?
Eh? The man, she feel like we could get a man all the thing in the house now, what look a cool of the panel.
Oh, she have to cold.
Yeah.
So yeah, I get a bush tea. I get a bush tea there.
No, so she should take the medication, but I want to rub no wrist with the bush tea for her.
Okay.
Yeah. So, me get one cold medicine when she come over there from hospital and eat me a
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Not bad. Sure. Big up. I don't look when she get bigger.
Really? Say I.
Say I. Yes. Alright then, you Miss Barry?
Yeah.
Alright then, take it easy. Alright then, you can.
Yeah. Okay, so, we can say, Park for my big pampas, but the pull-ups on them should I use?
Pull up on them.
Yeah, the pull-ups on.
What size?
Extra large.
I'm gonna check if we have the pull-ups one them because I think I'm more the wrap one, but make it look still. Yeah?
Yeah, the pull-ups on them are more better for you. That just go up and around fit and go them one day. We have some when we have about them pop off too much. Yes, so the pull-ups one now they're more better.
Alright, so when we go over there, we go look and then we give our chef figure, yeah? Alright, no problem.
Yeah.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Lock the gate, come lock the gate, boy. Amigo in there? Most in there, not going away.
Yeah, man, no.
Like off.
And I get no phone yet.
Amigo. Come on, get Amigo in the darkness. Aye.
Stop. I tell you, man. You're there in the night, man.
So me are there in the night. Amigo look cool.
I tear up. Me boy, me live in over. We call him, say go call over there. You know what? But eat man little bit of mother, no. But man little bit of mother. But me never have nothing, you know. Five feet door, you know. Copy up.
Which door?
1 Monday morning, and just come to out there, so I get up, sing a cook. So we want man dance and come. You know, see me a cook. I said, me not know. And I'm on to out there, so I'm straight up, Papi door. I mean, I know nothing, and go left it. And I told the papa, I'm going to put some drop in my head. You know, Papa. I mean, I should be sure. And when, man, Papi door, man.
Amigo look cool.
Can't get on everything. Ready?
Oh, the fridge door matter.
The fridge. The door there, so
Yeah.
You don't put a back line tag. Man, that stress, you can't tell them, man. Stress.
Alright, for
I don't want to catch you now.
For the
Because I'm looking at it.
for the new viewers, them, you know, this is Amigo. You know, Amigo have hearing problems, so he cannot hear us, you know, but he's always gonna speak, and we only can listen, you know. So for the new viewers, them on my program, you know, his name is Amigo. We call him Amigo.
But me no want that.
This is one and also one that host them that with the refurbish in our time as well to, you know, help him out. But he's struggling with hearing problem, you know. We get him different hearing aid, but it don't help because I think it's more dense than that, you know, it's more deeper. You know, so I bring a care package for him, you know, and so I give him some cash also to help himself. But he cannot hear us while we're speaking, but he's gonna always be talking, you know. So this is Amigo.
I don't want no catch, you know.
So no one a catch.
Catch me that lose them one. Unless you give me some water, your pocket, but I don't want none of that. I tell you the truth. You go and stay there. Kaka, go and go there. See, that period, and I see, yeah, I'm along that period. I right now see, I want to let me out and take a bite. And I want to know what my cat, you know.
You know, I'm going to bring cash. You bring cash in your pocket.
So, yours, you got 5, 10.
Yeah, make it done, Mark, stay there.
You stay there.
Right. I take you out to your pocket.
And I say, give me your pocket.
Make it done, man. I don't show no more.
I won't change.
I don't show, I don't move, anymore. I don't got no reason. No, not that one. Can't give me a very good that picture. Yeah, man.
Here you have some flour, cornmeal.
We have to have buy me chicken dough and chicken yes, dry thing out of my life, right thing, come on. They were taking it. Yeah, man.
Alright, an Amigo.
Cool, you know, yeah, that's very cool every time. You know, you can't do it for it. Not the kind of never want to put like a child. Ain't it what we have, you know? That's one I about that. They said, when the man, they can come and the man, mother, no. They say, man, go out. They're afraid. You're gonna come back in the morning. Think you're gonna buy a food. Come like a joke. You're mad. And look at you not over. It's not over. So one give me, you know. No, yeah, come to every time.
Alright, then here Amigo.
Yeah. Alright. My God.
Alright guys, so we have some more change left for Amigo. So Amigo said don't want any cash. You know, so we have $10,000 remaining for him, you know. So he said don't want it yet, so we're gonna leave it there for him to whenever it's ready. You know, so guys, so we give thanks, you know, we thank Marie from Canada. We thank you so much for these care packages, you know. So she gave us 12 bags and we give them out already. So on another day now we're gonna sort out the toys them for the kids them and the clothes them, you know. So blessings of God, guys. Remember always to give the video a like. Give the video a like, guys.
As you like it. That's very good to wait. Very good.
Yeah. What am I doing in the night?
Yeah.
I'm patrolling the night. I'm the night patrol.
Crazy. That's my friend Betty.
Is that your friend? Say you don't afraid how you're running with all of these bumps in the yard. You don't afraid about it too?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, Faith. Hello, Faith. Yes. A two good spirit this link up. Yes.
Old friend them, man.
Eh? Oh, they're the same school?
Yeah, we got
So Faith, so you want to come check her?
Yeah. But I come to my school Yeah, that come for me.
Oh. Yeah, this is Princess Daughter
in the
Faith.
backyard.
A two good souls link up. Cause Faith is a very good. Faith is my friend. Where's your daddy inside?
Yes, he is inside.
Alright, let's go call it daddy.
Okay.
Go on and Faith, go on. Two good soul link up. Vamps. Esther, come with it then.
Superstar.
Come, got something for you. Oh, go on, daddy. I wrote you. Ben, how you doing? Go and hide your face. Go and hide your face. Oh yeah, watch HBO. Let's turn down a little bit for me there. Night. Clapper, is it celebrating Christmas?
Oh, no. I don't like crackers.
Christmas. A two good soul link up in a car. Faith, I'm looking for it, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Faith, I'm looking for it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm coming surprised to see her already. Yeah.
And them parents now tell them to me.
Don't do that.
They always go down.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Faith, I'm looking for it, man. Yes, we have a package here, you know, for Shanet. See it here.
Isn't it Ollie? I would have thought
Ooh.
she's lovely.
She's lovely.
Very, very lovely.
That's what come in the bar, right, Esther?
Yeah.
Yeah, from ND. You know? ND.
Oh, Andy, thank you so much. This is so appreciated. We're gonna use her in our game.
Yeah.
We were playing. It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good, right?
Yeah.
I also have some clothes as well to pick out from same ND, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We got some clothes in there for you, Shanet. Pretty clothes. Pretty clothes.
It looks like I wanted this for so long.
Someone called me and asked me
Oh my
if she did live a foreign. I'm like, no, she never live a
Oh
foreign.
my goodness, this is so beautiful. So beautiful. Is this a It's a dress.
It's a romper.
Oh, good. Yeah, I'm gonna call her Dolly.
Dolly, yeah.
And this looks like the tight shorts to use when I'm going to sleep. We have more clothes.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. They're full white. I'm gonna wear this. I love this dog.
You love that dog?
Yeah, I love it.
What's it? Oh, Paw Patrol.
Yeah, I love that
And
dog.
that's her. Oh, it come with the shorts. We got shorts set.
Oh, and we got another white. I'll wear this to go to foreign.
Go foreign?
Yeah.
Oh, she's going to foreign. Father, for the never tell me she's flying out.
She had to be like Rachel.
We got some surprising clothes to wear. I'm gonna wear this. I love it.
I love it. So that is from ND, okay?
It's so wonderful. I could cry.
Nice.
Love it.
Nice. Alright, so we'll give thanks to Father for you can thank ND.
ND from
America.
ND from America. And me from New York, State America. I want to give thanks. Where my daughter feels great and pleasant, a smiling face right now, you know. I appreciate what you're going with right now. So I'm going to big up for the Christmas when the New Year's come to, isn't it?
Yes.
So give thanks and praise to where the past. Right?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man. I will also have $3,000 for her as well too. Shanet, I got $3,000 here for you also. From Miss Lovey.
Lovely name. More like Miss Lovely.
Miss Lovey.
Yeah. I'm gonna call her Lovely.
Okay, no problem. You can call her Lovely. So,
Thank
yeah.
you very much, Lovely. I mean, Lovely.
Yeah.
It's very appreciating. I'm gonna save it for something.
What you saving for? What you saving for?
Buy a pack of legs.
That's real foreign baby in Jamaica.
So give thanks and respect Miss Loving.
Miss Lovey.
Miss Lovey from
US.
From the US. So, and I want to big up for the Christmas thing. Then and the New Year when it comes to the day.
Yeah.
Have a good New Year's thing, Miss Loving.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Alright then, so yes guys, so we give thanks to Miss Lovey, for the donation for Shanet, and also ND, we thank you so much as well too, for the clothes and her doll. She's really excited, as you can see. She's so excited, we thank you so much. And Esther, we're gonna pick out some things for Faith and for her as well to Vin, right?
Yeah, it's a good girl, but sometimes she's Jamaica.
So we're gonna pick some stuff out Father for Vin as well too. And for Faith. Yes? Yes. Alright, Faith, we're gonna pick some stuff for you, okay? Alright, Faith, we're gonna get some clothes for you, okay? Monica.
I'm gonna take her necklace.
Alright then, my general, go and big up, yeah? Bye. Bye. Alright, Faith, take care. Hi, Vin.
You're
High
gonna
five.
be lucky.
Take care, okay?
Yeah.
Alright. Night sky, dark sky, out here no moonshine. Brighter light. Whoa,
Ah, genius, man. There, man, They are all the ground, they pass some washing for morning,
Yeah.
Just done, and soon gonna hang up some more,
So wait there, so
Get over, man.
say now I should come in at the mansion and come do the washing for you yet. At the girl shan.
No, she don't come in a girl, Shanet, Yeah, she just pass through and look, Yeah, man, you see me, I say? Yeah, she don't come in a girl, Shanet.
She need to come wash for you.
Yeah, man, soon and soon, man,
Yeah.
And wash and cook too,
Oh,
Get the place clean out with bleach and what, you see me, I say?
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, full moon and right now, there, man.
Yeah.
Whole two things for Esther right now, I should go on.
Munch.
Yeah.
Go
For
by.
blessing and love, man,
Yeah,
Yeah, straight.
Oh, you know the thing going, Yeah, we're out here in the night sky with the moonshine. It's a full moon.
Yes, man.
See there? Moon is well full. Well full tonight.
Let me take out.
Yes, let me text them.
Aye.
Tired, man. Tired. The times I'm only texting back and we text them. So we need some beer. Some coat,
Yeah. Alright.
Trenchtown nightlife. Rolling through Trenchtown. And I really go boom. Okay, my God, really.
So what is so vampire? So for us, yes?
Your foot, Yeah.
You see, vampire space of a vampire.
Yeah.
People start with all the time space. Then
That's because she would Bob Marley place.
okay, that's fine too. Yeah. Unless I know that for
close. Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.